Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Chong and today I'm going to share with you one special live stream software that I found extremely powerful, especially since my decision to start the shop.com business recently. That is something I discovered the powerful tools called Shop Live. Ladies and gentlemen, Shop Live can empower unfranchised owners to introduce their products in terms of knowledge, the information, as well as the experience through a live to the friends. And during the live, the best thing is the audiences can interact within the video. Imagine your audience come in or yourself join in the video and you click on the product which is shown on the live stream. You will be redirected to a web page right away and you manage to read all the information you needed. You can even order immediately without any hassle. This is something super cool, especially for unfranchised owner. You can even record all the friends order under your own account. And not just like that, the most powerful part is if the live stream is not conducted by yourself but from another partner, you can even enjoy in terms of sharing your special unique link through the backend to your friends, whereby whenever your friends click and then make any purchase and order on the product, the order history will be recorded under your account. So everybody will have their own history and orders account. This is the best thing. So let me show you how to share the proper link. At first, log into your shop.com backend, which is the unfranchised business account. I'm sure all of you know how to go there. Okay. If you're not sure how to go there, just ask your sponsor. Okay. The first thing is to do is just log in your account. Okay. The one that you use to log in your unfranchised account. Once you've done that, go to the home. Okay, when you scroll down, you shall see a very big banner which is called Shop Live. This is the guy that we're going to talk about, right? Okay, click on this banner. And the next thing is what you're going to see is all the tutorial, the features they're going to introduce to you. Just scroll down on the bottom and click this guy called Start Using Shop Live Now. Okay, once you click it, you will redirect to another tab, whereby it's going to introduce to you again what is Shop Live. And of course, this website is under unfranchised marketing already. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just click a right top of the login. Okay, and log in with the same account you used to log in on your unfranchised account just now. Okay, right after you log in, the very first thing you see shall be the media live stream. Okay, if this is the first time you log in here, it wouldn't be have anything under this site. Okay, don't worry. The very first thing you're going to do is create your own theme. So what you're going to do is mouse over to this contacts here. Okay, then look for this guy called Theme Access. Okay, Theme Access here. Okay, click on it. You're going to do one thing, okay, to create your own theme. It's very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, under here, what you need to do is just click the other guy called My Theme here. Once you click that, just make sure you set one access code. And my tips here is set the access code, which is something very unique. Okay, don't put a simple words, for example, J-A-Y. It could be the other person also called J, right? Okay, then the system might be conflict. So put something longer, your full name or something useful or nickname, up to you. Okay, it's really up to you. However, once you save the code, do not change it. Okay, set it once. Once you set it, you can share to your partners, other partners' friends. Okay, so what they're going to do is you just tell them, go to the unfranchised marketing website, which is under the Shop Live here. Then the next thing they're going to do is to join your live stream. What they need to do, just go to click contacts and click Theme Access. Okay, after click Theme Access, what they're going to do is they just need to key in the access code you set just now. For example, my access code is called I'm Jay Chong. I'm just type it here. So the next thing is just ask them to say join team. It's very simple. And of course, I can't join back my very own team. Okay. However, from here you can see I already joined another of my partner called Kun Eng. Okay. This is why under the homepage of my franchise marketing, which you can click here, the top left of the logo, go to the homepage, you can join your partner's live stream already. So which link for you to share out if your other partner is doing the live stream is from here. It's very simple. After you join his team, click this button called share. Okay, if you mouse over, is a little bit, there's two tips there called share. Okay, just click on it. Then the next thing you shall see is you have some options for you to straight away share it to the social media or through email, or you can copy up the link. This link will be permanent as long as your partner who created the team never change the access code, and yourself also never do anything else lah. So in common case, it won't change. Okay, just click this guy called copy link, which is just select it. Once you select it, it's already copied in your PC or your laptop or tablet, right? So the next thing is you just put it everywhere. Okay, keep this link to yourself. Okay, once you keep this link, whenever your partner doing live stream, you can share this link to your friends to join in, whereby they will join in and purchase anything. The retail order will be under you rather than under the live streamer. It's very simple, right? Okay, one last thing and one last tips I'm going to share with you is, if you realize that this link is quite, unusual, your friend might be, what is this link? Should I click it? Is it a spam or something? Okay, it's very simple. You can use Google, not Google, something like called URL shortener to shorten it. I will share with you, this is one of my method. I just log into ssxdx.my. Okay, of course, after you create an account, just log in, and then the next thing you're going to do is just paste the URL here. Okay, and shorten into an alias that people will recognize is you. For example, I just want to put recommend products. Just for example, then I shorten it. It's so simple. Okay, once you shorten it, this is the link that I can share to everyone. It's much more branded and with the keyword rather than a random link like this lah. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to share this link to my friend whenever my partner Kun Eng is doing his live. So if your friends is going to click the link, this is what they're going to see. Give me one moment. Okay, maybe it's too long, so I think I want to shorten it. Let's say J products, or I just say J recommend, then update. Okay, I'm going to keep this URL. Okay, come back here. I'm going to copy this link. Okay, I'm going to replace it. So I will always share this link instead of the random link that people might really afraid of it. Okay, once I share, and then people will just redirect to this live stream already. This is much more easier, right? Okay, and then you have to educate your friends that once they reach the live stream, they need to register themselves by keying just first name, last name, and email. And then all this data will be captured at the back end of the live streamer. So you need to ask your partner, if you really need this information, just ask your partner to export it out and share with you. Okay, if you want to know more about that, you can always welcome to put in the question in the comment box and share with me. Then I will do my best to. So far, I share with you how to do get a link from a live streamer from Shop Live from your partner and share to your friends. Okay, to make sure the retail order will be calculated properly under each account. Okay, the very first thing you need to do is create your own team. Okay, I know you might be shy and you might not plan right now to have a live stream, but create your own team first is fine. Okay, number two is get your live streamer partner access code, then join their team. So anytime when they announce, oh hi, next week, okay, Sunday morning 8 a.m. I'm going to live stream, you wouldn't need to, worry about you don't have the link anymore because you can access from the back end and you can capture the link whereby you can share with your friends in advance. Okay, so that is so much simple and so much easy, right? Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, I hope this tutorial is fine, and please like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, because occasionally I'm going to share not just shop.com tools, I'm going to share more about website, PC or Androids or anything about related to technology. Okay, thank you so much and stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.